this is where we left off here. We wanted to look at this construction problem. A lamppost is to be erected on the field at a point L. So we have the field here at a point L so that floodlights can be installed. The point L should be erected, or it should be located in such a way that L lies on the perpendicular bisector of UR and the angle LST equals 30. Alright, so I had copied this thing over here. I have a compass ready. Right? No protractor should be used. So let me just make sure I have the diagram, the outline of the field. RSTU going around, RSTU. Okay, good. So let's say L should be located in such a way that L lies on the perpendicular bisector of UR. So you're going to have the perpendicular bisector of UR and it should intersect something else. It says UR and the angle LST equals 30 degrees. So wherever L is, if L is here, the angle LST, why? The angle LST must be 30 degrees, alright? So let's see how that will work out. We need a perpendicular bisector of UR. Now, let us place the compass point on U. Open it to a convenient radius that is more than half the length of the line you're bisecting, and swing an arc. Let me keep it this way. Hold on. Go back here. Okay. Swing an arc up here. Go down here. Scribe another arc. I could have one long arc still. Alright. At the compass point at the other end, keeping the same radius. Don't change the radius of the compass. Swing another arc. Good. And then up here, swing an arc to make these bisect. Alright, so then after that, I draw a line between these points. Let me just zoom out a bit and draw my line. Alright, so let's say this is our perpendicular bisector. Now, the lamppost L is going to lie somewhere along here. Where is the intersection now? Now, you should have a 30 degree here, so we want to make a 60 degree, then bisect the 60 degree to make 30 degrees. Alright, so let's put our compass here. We want to make a 60 degree, so swing an arc here, keeping the same radius. Put the compass point here, make another arc here. And then a line from S through the intersection of the arcs is going to be 60 degrees. You might say, how do I know it is 60? Well, look at this. You zoom in a bit. If you have from S to here is the same distance from S to here, then from here to here must be the same distance, right? Has to be. So what you have is an equilateral triangle. And in an equilateral triangle, what you're going to have is that this angle equals this angle equals this angle, which is 60 each. So this must be 60, right? So you see that. So now, all you have to do is bisect the 60. Once you bisect the 60, you're going to get back 30. So let's see how we bisect the 60 degree now. Let's get back to our compass. I want to lengthen the compass, put it here. Compass point here. Alright. And I will no. Compass point here, I should say. At this intersection of the two arcs. So, okay. Where's the swing? Hold on. Okay, good. So we're gonna here. Compass point here. At the intersection of the line and that. And swing another arc right here. Now right at the intersection of these two arcs, I draw a line from S through that intersection. And that will cut the 60 into two halves. It bisects the 60 into 30 and 30, right? It didn't line up perfectly, but oh, well, yeah. A little better than it seemed at first. So here now, you have our two lines. Perpendicular bisector to you R and the 30 degrees angle here. So where they intersect is where T will be. So T is going to be right at this intersection. Right? So that's where T will be located. So you see that? And as I say, show our construction lines. Alright, so that is question 3.